Hi Vinny, what are you doing?
Trying to solve Prashna Nirmanam.
Oh, would you like to solve the examples of Prashna Nirmanam?
Yes, I want exactly the same. Please will you help me to solve Prashna Nirmanam of lesson number 5?
Oh, you are talking about 9th standard, no? Surely, why not? Have you learned the Kim table which is most important for the Prashna Nirmanam?
Not only Kim table but I know meaning and application of Kutra Kada Kimartham Katham also.
Okay, very good. Now let us start. First of all, I will read out every sentence, and from that sentence, I will tell you the words. For that particular word, you are going to tell me the Prashnarthak words, means the answer for that. Actually, here answer only is the question because we have to make the sentence Prashnarthak, means question form. Okay, are you ready?
Okay, I'll try.
The first sentence is Vrittam Yatnena Saurakshet. In this sentence, tell me the question words for Vrittam and Yatnena. First word Vrittam.
Come.
No, it's not come because Vrittam is not Pullingi. This Vrittam is behavior. It is Napusaklingi. Therefore, the answer should be Kim, not come. Now, second word Yatnena.
Kena.
Right. Now let us see the second sentence. Atmanah pratikulani karmani paresham na samacharit. In this sentence, tell me what could be the question word for pratikulani?
Kani.
No, not kani because pratikulani is not noun. It is adjective. Means visheshan. For visheshan, always a kidrusha word should be there. Therefore, the answer should be kidrushani. Now tell for karmani.
Kani.
For karmani it is correct. Next word is paresham.
Kesham.
Absolutely right. Now let us go for the third sentence. Third sentence is priyavakya pradanena sarve jantavah tushyanti. In this sentence, tell the question word for priyavakya pradanena.
Kena.
Correct. It is kena. Next word. Jantavah.
Kaha.
No, it's wrong. Jantu table, its main word is jantu. It is like sadhu. So sadhuhu, sadhu, sadhavaha, prathama it will be. Means it is prathama bahuvachan. So your answer should not be kaha. It should be kaha, kau, ke. Got it?
Yes.
Fourth sentence. Vachane daridrata nasti. Vachane.
Very easy. Sorry. Kasmin.
Now you got. Vachane is Saptami Ekvachan. Therefore, Kim Saptami Ekvachan is Kasmin. Now next word Daridrata.
Ka.
Right? It's so easy. Now next the fifth sentence. Nadyah swayameva ambhah na pibanti. For Nadyah, what will be the word?
Kaha.
Right. Why it is kaha? Because Nadyah word is Strilingi Prathama Bahuvachan. Just like Nadi Nadyav Nadyah, therefore kake kaha. Now next word Ambha.
Kaha.
Here you are wrong. Ambha word is not Pullingi, it is Napusaklingi. Ambha means water. Therefore your answer should be
Kim.
Right, Kim, not kaha. Now next sentence. Vrukshaha falani na khadanti. Now tell the question word for Vrukshaha.
I think it is K.
Right. For falani, what could be the answer?
Kani.
It's very easy. Okay, now seventh sentence. Varivahaha sasyam na khadanti. What is question word for varivahaha?
K.
Right. Kaha kau ke devaha devo devaha. Like that it is ke. Now for sasyam.
Kim.
Right. Because sasyam word is napusaklingi. Therefore kim is correct answer. Now eighth sentence. Satam vibhutayah paropakaraya bhavanti. Tell me the question word for satam.
Kam.
No, it's not kam. Actually, satam word, in that the main word is sat. So, satam word is shashti bahuvachan. So, instead of kam, it will be kesham. Okay, it is pullingi shashti bahuvachan, therefore kesham.
Okay.
Now, vibhutayah.
Kaha.
Here also you are wrong because vibhutayah, its main word is vibhuti. Like mati. So, the form becomes matihi mati matayah prathama. Like that only, the question word will be Kake kaha. Therefore, correct answer is kaha. For paropakaraya.
Kimartham.
Right. The meaning of paropakaraya is for the welfare. Okay. So it becomes for what means kimartham. Right it is. Now 9th sentence. Sajjananam maitri paschat vruddhimati bhavati. Now Sajjananam words question word will be
Kanam.
Oh, in the Kim table, is there any such word Kanam? It should be Kesham, not Kanam. Don't do the mistake again. Okay. Now for Maitri,
Ka.
right. Maitri is Strilingi word, therefore its question word will be Ka. Meaning of Paschat is later on. So what could be the question word?
Kada.
Right. It is indicating time, therefore it is Kada. Now next word is Vruddhimati. This Vruddhimati is the adjective of Maitri, means Visheshan of Maitri. For Visheshan, we always use the word Kidrusha. This is Strilingi, therefore we will use the word
Kidrushi.
correct. Now 10th sentence. Hamsaha Mahimandala Mandanaya Gataha Bhaveyuhu. What is the word for Hamsaha?
Ke.
Now you are correct. Now you are getting the answer because just like Devaha Devo Devaha it is Kahaka. Okay. Now Mahi Mandala Mandanaya means what? For making the earth beautiful. So its word will be
Kimartham.
the meaning is for what? Therefore the question word will be Kimartham. Okay, now next sentence. 12th sentence. Sarovaranam hanihi bhavati. Sarovaranam.
Kesham.
It's correct. It's very easy. It is Kesham. Don't repeat again. Kanam. Okay. Now 13th sentence. Yesham maralaihi saha viprayogah bhavati tesham hanihi. Now for Esham and Tesham, the word will be
Kesham.
right. And maralaihi, it will be
Kaihi.
just like Devahi, it is Kaihi. Now viprayogah.
Kaho.
Right, it is kaha. For hanihi, the question word will be ka because it is Strilingi. Can you solve these questions easily now?
Yes.
Now 14th. Gunaha gunadneshu gunaha bhavanti. Now for gunaha, what will be the word?
Ke.
Right, just like kaha kau ke, devaha devaha, it is ke. Gunadneshu.
Keshu.
Right. Now next sentence. ते गुणाः निर्गुणं प्राप्य दोषाः भवन्ति. Here गुणाः and दोषाः, these words have the same question word. So already you have told the question word for gunaha, that is ke. So it will be applicable for doshaha also. Tell me for nirgunam.
Kam.
Right, it is kam because this is nirgunam word is used for the masculine gender and dvitiya ekvachan becomes kam. Now the last sentence. Okay. Nadyah samudram asadya apeyaha bhavanti. For nadyah, what will be the question word?
Kaho.
No dear, you are wrong. Nadi word is not like deva table. Nadi word is Strilingi. Nadi nadyo nadyah. It is already once we have discussed. So it should be kaha, not nadyah, means kaha. Okay. Samudram.
Kam.
Correct. Because samudram is pullingi dvitiya ekvachan, so it is kam. Apeyaha. Now before answering, remember apeyaha is the adjective of nadyah, means visheshan of nadyah. So the answer should be
Kidrushyah.
right, because this is adjective of Strilingi word and main word is kidrushi, like nadi. So prathama bahuvachan will be kidrushyaha, like nadyah.
Now I am confident for Prashna Nirmanam of lesson number 5 Sukti Mauktikam. I want such revision on lesson number 6 Bhranto Balaha also.
No problem. Tomorrow we will practice for lesson number 6. Okay?
Dhanyavadah. Namaste.
Yashasvini Bhava.
Punarmilavah.